First Reform and Counter-Reformation. During the time various diversions occurred in the form of religious practice, including the sale of indulgence to finance church projects such as the fluctuation of the Spread Revelation in Rome. Martin Luther considered this practice to be contrary to the teaching of the Bible. He asserted that salvation is only obtained through faith, solo faith, and that the Bible is the only ultimate authority in Christian sola scriptura. Throughout the printing press, his idealism spread and garnered much support, especially from German friends who saw the Reformation as an opportunity to expose the influence of the Roman Catholic Church. The Reformation of the Church started by Martin Luther in the 16th century, in addition to changing the face of the Church. This Reformation changed theology, religious practice, and the relationship between church and society. Some of Martin Luther's important impact on the Reformation movement. 1. Rejection of indulgence. In 2517, Luther composed 95 theses criticizing the Catholic Church's practice of selling indulgence. One of his main objections was the sale of indulgence, document that claimed to grant the forgiveness of sins. 2. Sola Scriptura. One of the main tenets of the Protestant Reformation is sola scriptura. This principle asserts that the Bible is the only and supreme authority in matters of Christian faith and life. 3. Sola Fide. Sola Fide was one of Martin Luther's main teachings in the Protestant Reformation. He argued that salvation is only through faith in Jesus Christ. 4. Sola Gratia. Luther asserted that salvation is a free gift from God and cannot be earned through human effort. The Reformation prompted the Catholic Church to undertake known as the Counter-Reformation. This movement emerged in the mid-16th century as a response to the Protestant Reformation led by Martin Luther. The Counter-Reformation aimed to correct church weakness, address corruption, and improve discipline, moral, and spiritual among the clergy. Some important actions on the Counter-Reformation include 1. The reformation of the Council of Trent. 2. Moral and discipline reform. 3. New pastoralist approach. 4. Strengthening of the inclusion and indexing of Bennett books.
The Calvinistic of Reformation, started by John Calvin, had a major influence on Christian theology, influenced by Calvinism, which emphasized God's absolute sovereignty in all things, including salvation, our understanding of grace, predestination, and a man's role in salvation. The authority of the Bible is also recognized as the ultimate standard in the faith and practice, encouraging in-depth Bible study and the Bible-centered preaching. Our understanding of God's relationship with a man through his covenant is also attended through Calvinistic covenant theology. Christian Church practice in the Word in a major transformation as a result of the Reformation. Calvinism often simplified worship by emphasizing the preaching of word, prayer, and the praise. Baptism and the Lord's Supper were not regarded as the means of the earning salvation. Instead, they were regarded as the sign and the seal of the great grace. On the other hand, church discipline is emphasized as a way to keep the doctrine and the behavior of the church member pure, ensuring the church remained faithful to the teaching of the Bible. Calvinism extends social and the cultural ethic. The concept of Calvinism encourages a strong work ethic, where work is seen as a calling from God and a means to glorify Him. This concept encouraged Christians to work hard and honestly in all aspects of their life. In addition, Calvinism encouraged people to be responsible towards others, encouraged people to actively practice in society, and strives to realize social justice. The Calvinist Reformation was very influential in politics. Calvinism encouraged Christians to stand on the side of truth and justice, and provided a theological basis for resisting unjust the tyrannical government. Calvinism's principle of covenant and limited government also contributed to the development of the constitution in several countries where laws limit government power and the citizen rights are protected.
This impact also gave rise to Protestant, likely due to Martin Luther disagreement with the policies of the Roman Catholic Church. Weisleben and his followers to establish their own church, now a Protestant. Additionally, this reform also resulted in the formation of the Anglican Church, which originated from King Henry VII, who at the time wanted to marry Anne Boleyn and requested the Pope to annul his marriage to his first wife, Catherine of Aragon. However, when the Pope did not respond, he established the Anglican Church with its own regulation. This impact became one of the most significant events in the history of Christianity, leading to profound transformation in the structure of the church doctrine and the dynamic of social and political life in Europe. Gerd Reimer, 2009. The impact of the Reformation on European countries include 1. The formation of national church, 2. The outbreak of major regulation such as the wars in France, 3. The emergence of the Counter-Reformation, 4. Change in governments is another land Europa, such as England, the Netherlands, and Scandinavia.